So, good morning everyone. So, our topic for today is drying. So, we have the two problems. So, the problem one is, for example, 100 kilogram of wet food material with 70% moisture or wet basis is dried until the moisture content drops to 20% weight basis. So, what is the final weight of the product? So, we have given the W1 equals 100 kilogram. MW1 is 70%, then MW2 is 15%. So the requirement of this problem is final weight, W2. So first we have the solution Dx equals W1 times 1 minus MW1. Then substitute the given value, we have 100 minus 1 minus 0.70, then we have answer of dry solid equals 30 kilogram. Then next, we have W2 times 1 minus MW2 equals dry solid. So, substitute the given value. We have W2 times 1.1 minus 0.20 equals 30 kilograms. So, the final weight is 37.5 kilograms. So, next problem, we have a batch sliced mangoes contains 80% moisture on wet basis. So calculate the moisture content of the mangoes on dry basis. So we have given the wet basis, we have 80%. Then the required is the dry solid or X. So we have the formula X equals MW over 1 minus MW. So substitute the given value, we have 0.88 over 1 minus 0.88, then we get the per kilogram of water over kilogram of dry solid.